What's up YouTube? Josh here with JCS Customs. I want to thank you for clicking and watching today's video. Today we are unboxing and installing the 1LE splitter for the 6th Gen Camaro. Super ready to do this. This thing is going to look great on the car, as my car did not come with one stock and it needs one. Decided to go with the 1LE splitter because in my opinion it's got sharper edges to it and looks a little bit better than the Z01 splitter. But hey, that's my opinion. You may think otherwise. Anyways, like always, if you're new here and you like today's video, please go down below and support the channel by smashing the like and subscribe button and stay up to date with the build on the car. I think you'll enjoy my channel. So, I'm waiting on it to come in, and as soon as it gets delivered, we're gonna start this. So let's get it ready. It is here. Let's see it. Big box. It knocked over my plant. Hopefully it's not damaged. So the three things you worry about when you get parts like this is it's the wrong part, it's damaged, or it's not painted the way that it's supposed to be painted. Like, you know, if you get the gloss black metallic like this, you might get the primer version coming in. So hopefully that didn't happen. And also on the box, there's a pretty big freaking hole. I reached up in there and felt it. It's in there. But yeah, we're about to open this bad boy up. Got a knife and some scissors. I think I'm just gonna start slashing. So, I'm gonna cut down. It actually went a little bit better than I thought it would. My car needs a splitter bad. This thing is gonna look great. This is the 1LE splitter. I liked it. I could have got the Z01 splitter, but I like the sharpness on the curves to this one compared to the Z01 splitter. This is supposed to be gloss black metallic. It is from Extreme Online Store, but I got it through Next Gen Speed because they were having a sale with a discount code. So let's move this out of the way here. So it's not as light as I thought it was, which tells me that it's not that fake plastic stuff. So that is awesome. Hopefully this is on camera. Stand it up somewhere. Man, I hope it's not damaged. And I hope it's the right. It's packed pretty well. Hopefully my phone don't run out of storage either. Let's see. Hopefully it's got that metallic flake in it that I'm looking for. I'm guessing that's what gloss white metallic is because that's what my rims are and my stripes on the car. So, oh yeah, it's gonna look good. This stuff protects it pretty well, but I hate it when you try and take it off. Well, ladies and gents, this is not a fake piece. This is legit. This is, it's got some weight to it. I've ordered, well, I'm taking my ceiling out. Taking the popcorn off my ceiling. I've ordered a few parts before from other companies and you could tell they were fake. That's gonna look great. It's got the EOS for Extreme Online Store there. I can't wait to get this on. What's gonna suck is doing it by myself and not having somebody to help me hold it. So let's go get that started. Also need to throw in that be careful not to throw these away. These were wrapped up inside the plastic that was tied around the splitter. They're rivets. Luckily, I bought a rivet gun for past projects on the RS. And it looks like freaking directions, which is really not a thing you usually get with some of these aftermarket parts. That's what I'm guessing it is anyways. Let's see. Got some spare tape that is sticky. And an installation manual. That's going to be nice to have. Professional installation is highly recommended. Yeah, so I know what I'm doing, but let's take a look through this and see what it says. All right, so I'm about to back the car out of the garage. The reason I'm doing that is because I do not have a pinch weld adapter that like Z01 add-on sells. And when you don't have that, you run the risk of cracking those pinch welds, and that could just be disastrous. I've heard of people doing that and the whole freaking jack pad actually busting up through their car. I do not want to run that risk. I've jacked the car up before though with a regular jack like that, but you know, the more and more you do it, I'm starting to get worried a little bit. So my driveway kind of declines a little bit. It's got a slope to it. So what I'm going to do is back the car up so the front of the car will be higher up at the end of the garage, give me more clearance to put the splitter on. But if you do not have a pinch weld adapter or, you know, a sloping driveway with a garage, I think you will be fine without jacking the car up. It just gives extra clearance. Pretty sure you can do it without it. That's gonna be perfect. So the first thing you wanna do is lay out a mat, just anything, a blanket, whatever, just to save your back just a little bit. So, you're gonna have 12 of the infamous GM 7mm underneath there to take off. You can use, you know, a ratchet, or if you got a drill, take them out fastly like that. So we're gonna use a drill. And hopefully do it that way. Hopefully the drill's not dead. If not, we got a ratchet. Alright, tap it on your door with the damn ratchet. Wrong way. What do you know? My drill's dead. So I can keep doing it like this. Just do it with a ratchet. We're gonna do it like this. Now this thing didn't come with screws, but in the installation manual it said it came with screws. I hope there were supposed to be longer screws or something. So you're gonna have 12 across here. You're gonna have 2 on the back side of those air deflectors on the side. Might be time to move to the ratchet. Well, zippity doo dah, zippity yay. My drill decided to die today. So we are using a ratchet. Side wrench. Whatever you want to call it. It's gonna take a little bit longer here. So you're gonna take all these out. And then you're gonna want to clean this whole thing. Yeah, this whole thing is pretty dirty. Gotta turn it. Gee. So now you're gonna want to clean this really good. Trust me. This underneath here needs some cleaning. So I'm just gonna douse it up. This is chemical, guys. Detail spray. Mainly where the tape's going to be is what you want. So this is the part where additional hands probably come in handy, but we went ahead and pulled some of the 3M tape back on the red strip, so you will be able to access that and pull that after it's placed. So the only thing I can think of, I guess the bottom side won't matter because it's going to be not the same anyways. Let's go ahead and place this up there. That actually worked out good. Alright, now we need to go ahead and put some bolts back. So make sure they line up, huh? Oh, by the way, the rivets are optional. You don't have to put rivets. I'll make sure it's yeah. So I'll place all these and I'll show you. Alright, we're back. Mr. Flippy hair here. So what you're going to do is peel the tape off before you fully tighten and stick it down. See that? Bang. So I gotta loosen it. Peel your tape. Alright. Press them together. It is on their YouTube and it looks great. Now the rivets are optional, but we might go ahead and put them on there if my drill will work, just to be extra safe. This thing looks just great. YouTube, the splitter is on and it looks fantastic. I went ahead and drove out here so we can get some good shots and some good videos that throw in at the end of the video so you can see how good this thing looks on the car. I hope you enjoyed this unboxing and installing video, and if you did, go down below and smash that like and subscribe button to help support the channel. Until next time, YouTube, peace out.